Welcome to Radical Academy. In this video, we are going to solve this question that came in 2022 internal grade 12 math paper 2. So if you're watching me for the first time, please support me by liking this video, by also following my account on TikTok. I'm also on Facebook and also YouTube. Well, without much further ado, let's dive into this question. So this is a calculus question and you have been told to evaluate. Now I want you to understand that what kind of calculus are we dealing with. So this calculus is just integration. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to sort of like simplify, okay? Make it just a simple or rearrange the numbers in terms of degrees of orders. So we're going to start with this one, highest power or highest degree, 3x squared, then followed by minus 4x, and then that is a positive one, and then dx, okay? Now, for those that doesn't actually know or that do not know what dx means, is that we are integrating with respect to x. Now, one other thing that you must be able to understand is that when you have what we call the limits, this is the number on top and the number at the bottom. We call them the one at the top, upper limit. The one at the bottom is called lower limit. So what this means is that these are just simply the values of x. Okay, so now from there we can now begin to integrate. So when you're integrating, the first thing that you do is the power is going to be increased by 1, so we say plus 1, and then whatever the power is, we also do it at the bottom, and then for this one there is a power 1, so this is going to be x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, and then this is just 1, it's a constant, it's just going to be x. So if it was 2, it could have been 2x, okay? And then from there, we move on to say, okay, we are now going to say, we now go to say 3x, the power becomes 3, divided by 3, minus 4x to the power 2 over 2 plus x. And then from there now, we know that 3 into 3 can go there. It's one time. This will remain with x to the power 3. Then we know 2 into 4 is just 2x to the power 2 plus x. Now, when it comes to integration, and this is what you call definite integration or definite integral. So what you just do is we are done there. You just put these numbers like this, and then one on top, this one at the bottom. So from there now what you do is these numbers, they simply mean that when x is 1, what is the final answer? What does this actually evaluate to? And when x is also negative 1, what do you get? So from there now, we are going to substitute now where there is x in this equation, or rather this expression. You're going to say 1 to the power 3 minus 2, substituting 1 to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, what are you going to get? So this will give you 1 minus 1 to the power 2 is just 1 times 2, that's 2 plus 1. So this is the same as saying 1 plus 1 minus 2. This gives us 2 minus 2. This will give us 0. Okay, and then you also do when x is negative 1. So this again means that you're going to substitute. Okay, you substitute where there is x, you put negative 1 to the power 3 minus 2, negative 1 to the power 2, and then minus 1. Okay, so from there this gives us negative 1. And then negative 1 to the power 2 is positive 1 times negative 2. This will give us negative 2. And then from there now, also negative 1. Okay, so what's going to happen now is negative, are we supposed to get? Okay, so negative 1 minus 2, this is negative 3, then minus 1, and this will give us just negative 4. Okay, now finally what you do now is you copy this final expression, x to the power 3 minus 2x squared plus x. Okay, now this, we are doing that, and then at the end of the day now it's equals. So what you do is you get the first number for the what gave us a 0 was 1, and then minus open bracket minus negative 4. Okay, so 0 minus open bracket negative 4. Then what you do is this is going to give us 0 plus 4. Okay, and this will give us just 4. So that is the final answer. So normally this kind of integration works when you have those two numbers, the upper limit and the lower limit. So thanks so much guys for watching. Remember to support me once again, like this video, comment, and also share this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and God bless you.